My name is Shifu Heng. I'm 35th generation Shaolin master from China.
And I am Kuda. I've been training with Shifu for the last 10 years.
Today we're going to show you one most important exercise for the day.
This exercise has been used by the Shaolin monks for the last 15 centuries.
Okay, good. So let's do 2 foot wide. 1, 2. So keep your foot point straight. Slightly bend your knees. Put your hands front your lower abdominal. Yeah, just underneath your belly button. So tailbone tuck in. And keep your head up. Teeth together. Breathing in and breathing out through your nose. So when you're breathing in, stomach push out like a balloon. When you're breathing out, imagine you see your belly button touch your spine, much as you can. That's it. Then breathing in, stomach push out maximum, like a balloon. Push out, push out, push out, push out. And breathing out. Yeah. Imagine you see your belly button touch your spine. Very good. When you're breathing in, feel bright energy go through your body, all the way to your lower abdominal. When you're breathing out, release all the tension from your body. And you can repeat same exercise for 10 times. Also, you can do sit down as well. For example, you put your hands on your lower abdominal, breathing in through your nose, stomach push out. Breathing out, imagine your belly button touch your spine. And very important, when you do this exercise, you have to feel very happy and peaceful. Enjoy. Yeah. Benefits of this exercise is clear up your mind and very good for your brain function, good for your immune system, and good for your digestion system, and very good for your organ function better. Thank you for your time, and try tomorrow morning and see how you feel and let me know.
Stay tuned for our next video where we're going to expand on this and show you further exercises to help you with such things, for example, as neck pain, shoulder pain, and essentially rebalance your body.
Thank you for watching.